Nissan is calling its Gripz concept a design statement rather than a replacement for an existing model. But we're willing to bet you're getting an eyeful of what the next generation Juke crossover will look like. The Gripz, unveiled this week at the Frankfurt Auto Show, ditches the Juke's frog-eyed front end, replacing it with boomerang-shaped headlights like those on the Murano and Maxima, on a body that's trying really hard to hide the fact that it's a crossover. But here the electricity is generated by a gasoline motor. There's the promise of a smooth, refined, and exhilarating drive, but no mention that the raised suspension is backed up by all-wheel drive. Along with many of the car's interior elements, were inspired by racing bikes like those used in the Tour de France. The bicycle theme is carried forward with front-facing cameras in the headlight housings to record every journey, as many hardcore cyclists do.